Hello viewers, in this video I am going to guide you how to write printed like block letters. To write this you don't need to have calligraphy skills or drawing skills but only have the ability to draw lines using ruler and pencil or any other writing tool such as pens or sketch. To start with, we need to decide on three things. One, the word you are going to write, the size of the letters and height of the letters, and the angle of the letters. I have decided to write black and white. So first write the word somewhere which you have decided to write and count them like this. Draw lines with the height you have decided to write. And mark the size of the letters. So that is the width of the letter. I have marked 2.5 centimeters for each letters. So I have given a small space for I because I is thinner than any other letters, right? So I have given small space for I. And for your benefit, mark the letters above each markings like this. Then draw slanting lines or straight lines at the each markings. If you have decided to write straight letters, then make the marking as very straight 90 degrees. If you have decided to write slanting letter, then the markings as a slanting lines like this. So I have decided to write slanting letters, so I have making the markings little slanting. Now let us start with the markings for each letters. Again, use the ruler and mark them. Also, please be mindful to keep the same angle while marking the markings. I am marking a couple of small strokes for B. It is not touching any sides, giving little space at the top, bottom and the middle. For L, I am drawing a couple of lines, one vertically and another horizontally. For A, just like we drew for B, but the bottom stroke to touch the bottom line. Then C, a vertical stroke in the middle and the divider like horizontal line. For K, I am drawing a couple of lines, both touching top and bottom and giving little space at the middle. So let us move to the word white. Let us mark for the word white now. For W, write two vertical lines touching at the top. Make sure you are giving even space between the lines. I always calculate the overall space and divide them by 3 to mark the even space. This approach, draw a couple of vertical lines just as you have drawn for K. For T, calculate the space and give the even space at the sides and draw horizontal lines at the top and vertical lines at the middle. Make sure you are giving even space at the top and the middle. For E, again calculate the overall distance of the slanting line and divide them by 3 and draw a couple of lines to bring 3 rows like this, touching the end towards right side of the line. So we are done now. So let us make it even more beautiful. Now let us make the edges to show as round edges. I'm just curving the edges like this, a small round corner. Then I'm drawing a cone shape for K pointing towards the center space between two strokes which we have already drawn. And for W, I'm drawing a cone point towards top at the center of bottom line, and I'm making it as curve wherever it is required. Yeah, so we are done now. So let us darken the sides, all the sides. So using the scale, you can dark the sides, so you no need to darken with the scale. So if you are very creative, you can make some cloud like effect or some torn paper like effect and make it as more creative. And this is the first, since this is the first video, I'm just making it as easy for you to write, for follow. So darken all the sides. Then let us make it look like a 3D image. This is very simple. First draw slanting lines touching at the corners and pointing little down. Then connect the slanting down lines with horizontal lines with the same angle, and give shades at the same direction like this. Yeah, at the all sides, from bottom to top, from right to left, from left to right, all the sides. Yeah. So let us write ampersand symbol so that it would look like black and white. And we are done now. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Also post in the comment which word you want me to write next time. Thank you all.